Hey superstars! Ready for a blast of fun and learning?
Yay!
You know? Food is medicine.
How?
How? How?
I know. I know. I know. Look. Listen carefully. Carrot. Protect the eyes. Carrot protect the eyes. Tomatoes. Protect the heart. Tomatoes protect the heart. Walnuts. Protect the brain. Walnuts protect the brain. Ginger. Protect the stomach. Ginger protect the stomach.
Wow!
Wow. That's too much interesting. Kidney beans. Protect the kidneys. Kidney beans protect the kidneys. Sweet potatoes. Protect pancreas. Sweet potatoes protect pancreas.
Carrot protect my eyes. Tomato protect my heart. Walnuts protect my brain. Ginger protects stomach. Kidney beans protects kidneys. Eat healthy foods for healthy body.